Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a passport size photo in Canva for 2026. It's super easy, and yeah, you don't need any advanced design skills to get it done. First, open Canva on your browser or app and log in with your account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly create a free account in a minute. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar and type passport photo or just ID photo. You'll see a bunch of templates pop up. Choose the one that fits your needs. Click the template to open it. Now upload your photo by dragging it into Canva or using the upload button. Adjust the size and position so your face is centered, and make sure the background is plain if needed. Most passport photos are 35 by 45 millimeters, so go to the resize or custom dimensions tool and set it correctly. This ensures your photo meets official requirements. After adjusting everything, click the download button, choose PNG or JPEG format, and save it to your device. And yeah, it's ready to print or use online. And that's it. You've successfully created a passport size photo in Canva for 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy design tips.